Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete Plex account. So first of all, launch Plex app on your mobile devices. So now once you come here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. From here, go ahead and tap on settings. Now tap on account on top. Now at the bottom, go ahead and tap on delete account. Now, make sure you go through all these details before you enter your password for deletion. So after this, let's enter our password. After this, go ahead and tap on delete account. And with that, you will be able to delete your Plex account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.